E, F, J, K, Q, R, T, U. Sing it, Elsa.
No.
Now I know my... How about Mary had a... Yeah. You want the book, Austin? You went to the pumpkin patch?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
How many pumpkins did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Really? That's amazing. Who did you go with?
Yeah.
Did you go with Grace? Mary had a... Good. What are you doing? Are you changing Barney's diaper? Was he poopy? Good girl. You're such a good mommy. Hi, Austin. Hi. Can you say hi? Wave bye-bye. Can you wave hi? Austin, say hi. Hi. You are a bookworm. Elsa, did you start preschool?
Yeah, changing my book.
You're still changing them? Okay. Just say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Austin. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss, Elsa? Say love you, Grandma. Elsa, say love you, Grandma. Say love you, Oma. Love you, Grandpa. Love you, Opa. Say love you, Grandma. Say thank you for the Cheerios. They were yummy.